there is no book when we bring any form of Christian lineage. There isn't anywhere that supports a woman to be polygamous. So when I realize you have got someone else, when I quit, where is the problem? It's only that I am running from danger.
Yeah?
Yes.
Danger gani?
Danger zone. You are a red flag. When I realize that there is someone also fetching water in the borehole, it means that there is a red flag na hapo sasa imekuwa danger zone.
Hakuna kitu kai.
Hapo imekuwa danger zone. So run away.
Yako si red flag.
Si red flag because men are allowed to practice polygamy.